Basic truth tables. A truth table is a table showing what the resulting truth value of a compound statement is for all the possible truth values for the simple statements. This is an example of basic truth tables. In negation, it expresses not, which means the opposite of truth value. So, true, false, false, true, false, true, false, true. So, in negation is which means the opposite true value. Next, conjunction. In conjunction expresses and which means both P and Q must be true. So, true, true, true. So, true, false, false. So, false, true, false, and false, false, false. So, next is disjunction. In disjunction is expresses or which means either P and Q can be both true or both. So, true, 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 false, true, and false, true, true, and false, false, false. So, this is the basic truth tables.